Hello everybody and welcome to today's vlog. Today we're here at the farm and we're going to see some lambs. This is a special farm and it's only open on like this weekend and last weekend. So we're here today and we are going to go see some really cute lambs and you're coming too. Bye!
Still recording.
I've lost my mum and my dad. Let's go find them. I've lost them. No. Just got to look out for my dad who has a big camera. Okay, I think I lost my family. Yeah, I'll find them. Oh, is she going to see?
Hey?
Is Mum going to go and see?
I don't know, she just sent me off to come and find you because you wandered off.
Well, I was out there looking for you.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Should we go and see the chicks?
So cute.
Cute, aren't they?
Hold one. Hold one.
You could ask. Do you want to? Ask if you can hold one. They're just standing there. You can just ask.
You're never allowed to, though.
Ask. Just say, excuse me, can I hold
a shed for Lambing and Craft Refreshments Play Barn. I'm reading off the sign. Buy the fudge. Next. Ooh. Do I have money? Do I have money? I do have money. Because you're going to get some money. Can I have some money? Oh. Dad, look! It's a toilet. Oh, sheep. Oh my god. Oh, it smells. Ugh. Anyway, super cute.
In there, there's like a big pile of horse poo to me. Or maybe, yeah, there's definitely poo there. Look down the bottom. I think that's just like the compost heap.
I think underneath that might be some kind of animal.
Underneath it might be some sort of animal?
Yeah, underneath that big pile.
What kind of animal?
Maybe like a pig.
No, I don't think pigs live in compost heaps.
No. It is very muddy.
Yeah, and pooey. It's probably where they just put all the wee and poo when they clean out the animals.
Why are you filming someone go to the toilet?
I'm not, it said track the trailer.
No, the loos are right there. There was someone literally going in the toilet and you were filming them.
So they're famous now.
Family friendly. Seriously, that joke's old. Tell you what would be interesting for your vlog: an ice cream.
An ice cream.
And one.
An ice cream review.
And don't forget that. Yeah, can you get us an ice cream?
I think we do need an ice cream. I think you could be right about that.
Yeah.
That does seem like a good idea.
And film the ice cream.
Melting.
Dad, everyone will be on the floor. So interested to see us eat an ice cream, you know? Like, no one's ever seen an ice cream before.
Oh look, more toilets.
Don't worry, I'm on it. Steady up, enjoy it. What do you say? Coca-Cola, okay? Thank you, boy. Which one do you want? You want? Why not? Thank you. You want? No.
That's Holly Neistat over there. Holly Neistat. Oh, hello. Okay, so this is the queue for the death train. The train of death.
Train of fluffy penguins.
So have you had a good day, Joshie?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's been the best part?
Oh, no.
What's the best part?
Probably, even though I didn't get it, probably the fudge.
The fudge was the best part, even though you didn't get it. What about the ice cream?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Cool. We don't go get some fudge.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, it's bumpy.
Bumpy. Anything you want to say?
No.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, okay. Like and subscribe.